Revenue and Disaster Management Authority organized a state-level mock exercise on earthquake preparedness in the Polo area to train residents and officials on emergency response protocols. The drill conducted in the morning recreated a post-earthquake scenario with sirens from ambulances and fire trucks accompanied by the distressed cries of school children to stimulate a real-life emergency situation. The exercise was carried out at key locations including Buddha Vidya Niketan Secondary School, Polo Hills Residential Area, Polo Market Complex, the Soil and Water Conservation Office in Laumali, Waingdo, Banthor Umkhra, and the Police Quarter Reserve. Several departments and agencies participated in the event, including magistrates, officials from the Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority, the District Disaster Management Authority, the State Revenue and Disaster Management Department, and the National Disaster Management Authority under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Personnel from the National Disaster Response Force (NDRF), local police, teachers, and students also took part, reinforcing efforts to enhance disaster preparedness and response strategies.
Please wait. We'll call you. There's the last one. छोटे बच्चे हैं इनको There is one more injury. कि फॉर्मल फर्स्ट एड ट्रेनिंग हुआ है? हाँ, नो वन गिवन नहीं।
मैं पहले से डंडा लेके आऊंगी।
डंडा हम लेके आइए। स्प्रिंटिंग करना है।
Sprinting.
Sprinting is called sprinting. From both sides. From both.
It's very funny.
ये इसके हाथ में बहुत